guys, it's your girl Taya back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another Mask Monday for you guys, and today's mask is going to be featuring the one and only true OG, the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. And I call it the OG because if you guys have been here on YouTube for a while, you guys have seen this mask going around. So it's not like a new mask that just came out or anything. This is on your higher end of deep conditioners. I think I did another deep conditioner last week that was a little bit more drugstore friendly, a little bit more inexpensive. This one is going to be on your higher end of deep conditioners, and then on where you get it from. I got it from Sally's, and right now on their website it is showing for, I believe, $22.99. So so for the 16-ounce mask is showing $22.99. They are having a sale for buy one get one off. I don't know how long that sale will be lasting, but if you guys are interested in picking this up, you can definitely check it out. To me, that's a little high end for a deep conditioner, but we're gonna see and put this to the test and see if it's worth it. So let's go ahead and talk about the smell. I love it. It has like a clean smell, but it also has a fruity kind of smell. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. These deep conditioners, some of the deep conditioners that have like a clean smell, but yet like a fruity smell. The consistency, again, another thick and creamy product. You guys, I don't know if I use any other type of products besides a thick and creamy product. This is the consistency. It's, again, just nice and thick, creamy. Get that off my hands. But it should go in the hair really nicely. Let's go ahead and read the back. For improved health, shine, elasticity. It's great for color treated hair and coarse hair. So great for color treated and coarse hair. It just says to apply liberally, comb through clean and wet hair, leave-in for 7 minutes. You guys know I love to deep condition with heat. Today I may just go ahead and put a plastic bag over my head and go ahead and run some errands. I do need to run out for a little bit, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just let it sit under my hair, wrap my hair up like I normally do with my little, y'all know I'll be wrapping my hair ties or whatever. My little African hair ties. I can't stop smelling this drink, you guys. Like, I love it. I love it already. I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, I love it already. But let's go ahead and get into it. Let me stop rambling. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Hit that like button, that bell for notifications. Y'all know the drill, right? Yeah, I know the drill. Alright, I'm just taking my comb and just pretty much comb through my hair. It is dry. I think that whatever I put in my hair that dyed, and it was a waste, and I'm mad because I dyed my hair, calling myself, taking this much, you guys, calling myself dyeing my hair, only for me to have to turn around, and it didn't work. The dye was, it didn't take. Oh, you guys, like, whoo. When I say my hair was dry, but now it got life, honey. Yes, girl. This deep conditioner right here, though, I'm not even sizing it, you guys. Like, this deep conditioner, though, yes, baby. It's giving my hair life already. Thank the good Lord. I pulled out a good one for this because this hair was some kind of dry. You guys see that? Look at all that moisture coming back into this hair. Thank you, Jesus. Because I needed it. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist that up and pretty much do this all around my hair. Comment down below on some of your favorite deep conditioners. If you are a deep conditioner fanatic like me, comment down below on some of the deep conditioners that you guys like to use. Are you guys more of like the thick and creamy product kind of girl like me, or do you guys like lightweight products? I think it also depends on your hair type too, because I feel like if my hair was thinner, then maybe I wouldn't really be so excited about the thick and creamy, but since my hair is so thick, like, I can't help it. Yeah, it just melts right into your hair, you guys. Like, that was awesome. I love that. So you guys can see I'm able to finger detangle, so that's a good thing. Anytime I can finger detangle with a deep conditioner, it's A1. A1. All right. Go ahead and just detangle the ends a little bit more. Ooh, that's the comb going right through that. I guess I didn't need to do that. Nice. So just twist it up. Sorry guys, I have like a little cold. I don't know what it is. It's been trying to get me. Alright, just twist that section up. Just move on to this top section. I'm just taking the leftover product and just working it in there. Team no waste. All these hashtags and team this and team that. Team Jesus. Okay guys, so I'm done putting the conditioner in all of my hair. I know it looks like it's sitting on top of my hair right now, but as you kind of can see, this side is already starting to like penetrate in. So this side hopefully should. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple plastic bags on my hair and tie my hair up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and run out and run my errands and then let this sit in my hair for however long. I'm just gonna run my errands real quick. I just need to run to the store and I'll be back to show you guys how my hair turned out once I wash the deep conditioner out. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, I'm back. My lips are dry. Let me just put some chapstick on. Okay. My Fenty does it all the time. My lips were dry. I don't know what was going on. But anyway, guys, I'm back. Taking off my t-shirt I just got from from rinsing my hair out. And it is so soft, you guys. Like, look at that, guys. Wow. Like, if I wanted to do a twist out, I could. Like, it's giving me twist out vibes. So soft, so nice. And so I would say this was a success. Another Mask Monday. Damn. Ooh, look at that, guys. Like, it is so soft. So yes, I got one more twist. Let me take that out. All right, guys, I think that is it for this video. My hair looks so moisturized, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and just section my hair off like I normally do. you guys so much for watching another Mask Day Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one.